What is up, everybody? It is August 20th. Today we took one trade. You can see it was this short, and it was quite a ride this morning. It took a little bit of patience for sure, but overall we came in with a bearish bias because overnight we grabbed this high right here during the London session. So we had accumulation for Asia, and then we took out this high right here, created a market structure shift on the 15-minute time frame. And then, we came back up into this 15-minute fair value gap, respected it very well, and then continued to sell off. So what I ideally was looking for here at the open was for price to pump on up a little bit into a premium, hopefully respecting this inversion fair value gap that we had there. But I took that off already. So let me take off these quarterly cycles indicators so you can see price a little more clear. Respecting a 15-minute inversion fair value gap that was in here and then plummeting back on down. The draw on liquidity that I had was from this price leg here that we are currently trading in. I wanted to see price retrace down into a discount of some sort, and if you see, my draw on liquidity was this low right here at 19,719. That is the start of a 4-hour fair value gap that's sitting in discount, which is a pretty high probability place where I believe price will come into, tap into that, and then push back on up, targeting this 20,085 level. So that was the plan. Obviously, as you can see, price decided to just push on up like crazy and then come right back down and then push back on up, and it's just been trading within this range all day. So it took a lot of patience, that's for sure. Oops, sorry, I just moved the screen there a little bit. So it took a lot of patience this morning just to sit tight. So starting off, right, we had that plan from the beginning to look for shorts, and we wanted a manipulation move at the open to then take it short. So as you can see, market opened up here at 9:30, started to move on up, and then we were just eyeing all of these fair value gaps to see which one would end up getting inversed and then playing it out. But I wanted to see that inverse happen here in the second quarter. I did not like that it happened in the third quarter, so I waited patiently to see what was going to happen. And so price actually moved up into this area here, rejected off of that, displaced very strongly. Do I regret not taking it here? No, because on the 15-minute time frame up here, we invalidated this 15-minute fair value gap. That did not look good to me. I did not like that one bit. And because of that, I was weary to play shorts up here. So then as price started to displace downward, I wanted to see what it was going to do. And I decided that if we inverse this 1 minute bullish fair value gap, that we would then take it short, putting our stop above that high and then targeting that 4-hour fair value gap. The first TP that I was going to have was actually a 15-minute low that was pretty significant right here, and I'm glad that I did, because as you can see, price came, tapped into that, stopped my profit, or not stopped, but took my profit. I put my runner at break even, and you can see I came back and got stopped out on that. So overall, that was a great trade. It took some patience. I wanted to wait for some confirmation on this. Do I regret not taking this move here? No, because I still ended up with a nice 1 to 3 risk to reward. So overall, a good trade. You just have to be patient and wait for the right setup to appear. You can't just take it and just be nervous about it. No, if you want to wait a little bit, that's okay. Just wait for the right moment to attack. You have to be precise with your entry. So because we moved up here, I was expecting to continue bullish then. So I switched bullish and just wanted to wait a little bit to see what was going to happen. Then we had this strong displacement down. No bearish fair value gaps were being invalidated on this way down. So then I flipped my my bias back to bearish. And then here it was when I decided to attack, because by 10:30, we tend to get the move for the day. And as you can see, the biggest move was this drop. And then, we've just been consolidating in this area. And there have been a couple trades that I took on my other accounts here, but just very small scalps going from like internal ranges to external ranges here. So like, what was one that I took actually? There was like a 15-minute fair value gap here that got invalidated. I market ordered in, and I targeted this high right here in one of my accounts. Came up, boom, tapped it, and now we're kind of tapering off. So not ideal price action, because it's a no news Tuesday as well. Very minimal news overall. So tomorrow and the rest of the week, I do expect us to have very good volatility. Regardless, we still made some green, so we are happy about that. We can't complain about that at all. And so yeah, hopefully you guys ended green. I hope this made sense. And if you guys have any other questions, please drop me a DM on Instagram, TikTok, here, write a comment, whatever you want to do. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.